you just got done with your food. Is it time for yogurt dessert? Is it time for yogurt dessert? Are you ready? Your little legs are swinging. Here, there, let's see your little legs. Are you ready for your yogurt dessert? Are you ready? Yes. What? Tell me, what are you ready for? How about some peach? Let's try some peach yogurt. Yay! What's this? The little legs are swinging. Oh. Oh, you ready? What's your favorite stuff? What's your favorite stuff? Get it all mixed up. Let's get all the fruit from on the bottom. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Oh, you're so excited? Yeah? All right, there you go. Thank you! All right. One more bite. Or I turn off the camera. Good girl! Okay, I'm a sucker. One more. You're so funny.